Screw this. I'm going to Sweden. Stop hiding. So how do you feel about the trip?
I don't know yet.
Alright, so the first update of the day is not exactly what I wanted it to be. We missed our flight. Allow me to explain. I called the consulate yesterday, and apparently if you're vaccinated 3 times, then I shouldn't have had any test with me at the airport. And the issue isn't that they said that my vaccinations are invalid or anything, they just didn't have the information. Because apparently the first 2 vaccines I had were Sputniks, and now I got Pfizer. And they didn't have any information if the combination of those vaccines will actually allow me to enter Sweden. So they just said no. But don't worry, because I already booked the plan B. We're not missing this trip for anything. So it's delayed 1 day. Tomorrow, 13:45, we're heading out anyway. And I don't care what happens.
Are we in Sweden yet? Are we in Sweden now?
Apparently not.
Where are we then? We have to go to Sweden.
Day number 2. Let's try this again, shall we? Also, quick update. Since we're late a day compared to the original plan, we have another dude joining us who is somewhere over there checking in his baggage. Yes, your test has been accepted. Got through the security check, but I'm not happy yet because I made it here yesterday. We're officially opening the Gothenburg weekend. Cheers. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. Now I have 3 different COVID tests in Hungarian and English with me. So if they don't let me on the plane today, I give up. Great success. We are in. And with all of that behind us, we were finally on our way to Gothenburg. Damn, wow. Dude, I have not seen so much snow in freaking years. Oh my god. This is amazing. We're not sure, but we may have missed our bus into the city. We just saw a Flixbus leaving and yeah. And the rest of the night, well, we did pretty much exactly what you would expect a couple of metalheads in a foreign city to do at night. We got severely out of control.
Yeah. Fucking yeah.
You got another thing coming. She left.
Little Peter let me in.
See that? Yeah, I'm on here. Yeah.
That looked way more awesome in my head. In case I die tonight, just so you know, I died doing what I love, getting placed on my birthday.
Skål för helvete!
Skål för helvete!
Yes. Prost!